Defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Use your Welsh. Heddiw, today, we're going to learn how to ateb y ffôn yn ddwyieithog, answering the phone bilingually. We're going to start with our greetings, cyfarchion. So as soon as you pick up the phone, you need to answer with a cyfarch, a greeting. Bore da, good morning. Bore da. Pnawn da, good afternoon. Pnawn da. Hello, hello, hello. Depending on what time of day it is, you can answer using bore da or pnawn da. Hello is also acceptable. You can then follow this greeting with either by stating your name or the department, ward, clinic or hospital you work at. Here is some key vocabulary. Adran, department. Adran. Ward, ward, ward. Clinic, clinic, clinic. Ysbyty, hospital. Ysbyty. Corridor, corridor, corridor. Let's have a look at some enghreifftiau, some examples. Bore da, mae Robert, ward enfys, ysbyty Glan Clwyd, which translates to, good morning, mae Robert, enfys ward, Glan Clwyd Hospital. Pnawn da, adran radioleg, ysbyty Gwynedd. Good afternoon, radiology department, Gwynedd Hospital. Hello, Megan Jones, clinic cleifion allanol, corridor eich. Translates to, hello, Megan Jones, outpatient clinic, corridor C. Bore da, uned mamolaeth, ysbyty Maelor Wrecsam. Translates to, good morning, maternity unit, Maelor Wrecsam Hospital. Once you have given your cyfarch, your greeting in Cymraeg, beth nesaf, what next? If the caller continues to use their Cymraeg, their Welsh, don't panic. Don't be afraid to use the following phrases. I'm sorry, I don't speak Welsh. Would you like to speak to a Welsh speaker? Give the caller an option to speak to a fluent Welsh speaker. You can then put the caller through to a Welsh speaker. Make sure to end the call using some more Welsh, some Cymraeg. Diolch, thanks. Hwyl fawr, goodbye. If there isn't a Welsh speaker available, you can use, I'm sorry, I don't speak Welsh. Would you like a Welsh speaker to call you back, or would you like to continue in English? You can give the option for the caller to finish the conversation, the telephone call, in English. If they're happy continuing in English, you can do so. If not, take the caller's name and contact details and arrange for a Welsh speaker to call them back as soon as possible. Remember, try and end the call in Cymraeg. Diolch, thanks. Hwyl fawr, goodbye. If you're feeling confident using tipyn bach o Gymraeg, a little bit of Welsh, you can use the following phrases to continue the telephone conversation in Welsh. Sorry, dwi ddim yn siarad Cymraeg, ond dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Sorry, I don't speak Welsh, but I'm learning Welsh. Would you like a Welsh speaker to call you back, or can I help? You are giving the caller the option to continue the conversation using some Welsh, and also you're giving the caller an option to speak to a fluent Welsh speaker. If they're happy to continue the conversation with you, try and use as much Welsh as possible. For example, you could complete the 3-point check yn Gymraeg in Welsh. Be d'eich enw? What's your name? Be d'eich cyfeiriad? What's your address? Be d'eich dyddiad geni? What's your date of birth? Remember to end the call in Cymraeg. Diolch, thanks, hwyl fawr, goodbye. If the caller would prefer to speak to a fluent Welsh speaker, pick their name and contact details and arrange for a Welsh speaker to call back, remembering again to use as much Welsh as possible to end the conversation. Diolch, hwyl fawr. If you would like to improve the amount of Welsh that you're speaking on the telephone, how about learning these common phrases? Ymadroddion cyffredin. Pwy sy'n siarad os gwelwch yn dda? Who's speaking, please? Pwy sy'n siarad os gwelwch yn dda? Daliwch y lein. Hold the line. Daliwch y lein. Hoffech chi siarad efo? Would you like to speak with? Hoffech chi siarad efo? Mi wnai roi chi drwodd I rwan. I'll put you through to now. Mi wnai roi chi drwodd I rwan. Sut alla I helpu? How can I help? Sut alla I helpu? Dwi'n siarad tipyn bach o Gymraeg. I speak a little bit of Welsh. Dwi'n siarad tipyn bach o Gymraeg. Sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Please newch chi siarad yn araf. Please can you speak slowly? Please newch chi siarad yn araf. Defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Use your Welsh. By showing a positive attitude towards the Welsh language, as well as using a few Welsh phrases, it will go a long way to providing a quality bilingual service. Be positive and have a go. Welsh speakers will diolch, will thank you, and be supportive of your efforts.